This video will show you how to install the cylinder and the lever. First, you need to adjust the inside spindle, make the tube roll on the horizontal position. The second, install the pin. The big end will go in first, going in the side of the hole. Most of the time you can push the pin in complete by your finger, sometimes not. In that case, you can use the pillar for help. And take it this way. Sometimes you may squeeze a little hard. Push it in. And make sure push it in complete. Then put the cylinder. Put the lever, put the key in, rotate the key 90 degrees and push the hole in and rotate back. You are finished.